الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين، أما بعد. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون. صدق الله العظيم. Respected teachers, honorable judges, and dear audience, it's both an honor and a responsibility to stand before you today to address one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change, a global emergency that transcends borders and impacts every aspect of our lives. As we gather here, let's remind ourselves that our actions today will determine the future of our planet and generations to come. My dear brothers, climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's here and it's happening now. The Earth's temperature has been rising by over 1 degree Celsius since the pre-industrial era. While this may seem small, its consequences are catastrophic. Melting glaciers, rising sea levels, erratic weather patterns, and an increase in natural disasters such as floods, hurricanes, and wildfires. But what causes this? The primary culprit is human activity. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, gas releases enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and disrupting the planet's natural balance. Deforestation, industrial pollution, and unchecked urbanization exacerbate the problems. My dear brothers, but what does this mean for us? The impacts are devastating. Millions are losing their homes due to rising seas. Farmers are grappling with unpredictable weather, leading to food insecurity. Diseases are spreading as warmer climates create favorable conditions for pathogens. Entire ecosystems are under threat, with countless species facing extinction. But amidst this grim reality, there is hope if we act now. Number one, switching to renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power can drastically cut emissions. Number two, reforestation efforts can absorb carbon dioxide and restore balance to the environment. Number three, as individuals, simple actions like reducing waste, conserving water, and embracing a sustainable lifestyle can collectively make a significant difference. Number four, finally, we must hold governments and corporations accountable. Policies and practices that prioritize the profit over the planet must change. My dear brothers, climate change is not just an environmental issue. It's a social, economic, and moral challenge. It requires collaborations across nations, communities, and individuals. As the youth of today, we have the power to bring change. Let's educate ourselves, spread awareness, and take actions. Let's remember, this planet is not just a gift from our ancestors. It's a loan from future generations. The choices that we make today will determine the world they inherit. Together, let's work towards a sustainable, greener, and more equitable future. The time to act is now, because there is no planet B. Here I conclude my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.